Today we're going to be putting on these new corner cables with the extra heavy-duty wire, stainless steel bolt here with a double locking nut, and a plate here that you mount to the concrete. We're going to be going over how to install these cables in this video today. It's very important to have your guide wires checked and replaced. If they get rusted or if they're not tightened properly, it will help keep the cage from moving from side to side in a windstorm, which will cause the cage to bend or collapse in a bad storm. So it's important to have these checked on a regular basis and tightened or replaced. So first thing we're going to do here is set the corner plate. We're going to screw it into the corner of the cage here. So that way we can prepare to anchor to the bottom concrete down there. Pull the cable tight here at the bottom so you can set this on the concrete down here on the side. We're going to dig this out. So now you take the wrench and the screwdriver here to hold this eye, and then you tighten this down right here until this cable is taut, pretty taut. That way it keeps the cage from moving back and forth or side to side. So we're going to put the second one up here, pulling down to the left here. We're going to fasten this one here. So we're gonna set this here, so you just need to dig this out a little bit. Insert the Tap-Con. Cover the hole back. Stick the screwdriver here in the eye of this hole to hold this, and then begin to tighten the nut down here. In order to tighten the cable, pull this way, upward. It'll tighten the cable, the slack out of it. Once you get it pretty tight, then you can set the other nuts to keep it from moving. These are the lock nuts. And that's it.